So speak life to the deadest, darkest night.
Well, hello there again. Well, as you can see, there's still some snow on the ground. It's been warm the past few days, so it's been melting, but there's still quite a bit. We had about a foot of snow here on the ground, and it's getting down there. But anyways, what I want to talk to you about today is fertilizing your grass, or actually fertilizing your snow, and waiting for it to melt, and it goes right into the ground. I'm not using the traditional fertilizers that you buy, your Scotts or your Milorganites or whatever you guys have wherever you live. I'm using all natural ingredients you can buy cheaply. I bought my stuff at Walmart, in fact, and it does a great job. It's an old recipe from Jerry Baker. I know he's a rather controversial figure, but he has some great ideas, and I've been using them for years and always have one of the greenest yards in the neighborhood. At least that's what my neighbors say, or the people that deliver the mail have commented. So stuff works great. So what is it exactly that I do use? Well, I always start with some granulated sugar. I bought a big bag. I've got a rather large yard here. This is a big 25-pound bag. So it's better just to buy it in bulk. I have about 10,000, 15,000 square feet or so of yard. I bought 2 of these bags. I just used one. My spreader I used is like it put too much down, and if I turned it back a notch, well, it didn't put quite as much down. But what I did here is I used some sugar. Now you're asking why sugar? Well, according to Jerry Baker and others I've researched, when your yard wakes up after the winter thaw, it's looking for food. And sugar is a great form of food. It's like human beings. Plants love sugar. And you can probably see the next thing here is laundry detergent. Again, some cheap Walmart stuff here. I bought a couple of bags of this. It's got a blue dye in it or whatever to make your clothes whiter and brighter or whatever it is. It does turn your snow a little bit blue. But anyways, you're asking, well, why laundry detergent? Well, it's like an antibacterial. I know summertime I use tonics that do have like a baby shampoo or dish soap in them. Years ago, laundry detergent had phosphorus in it. I don't know if you live in a country or whatever that has phosphorus type detergents available. That's what you want to use, because phosphorus plants love, helps them grow. So that's that. The next thing we have is Epsom salt. Now with the Epsom salt, it's got the magnesium in it and other things in there that help the grass grow. Plants really love. So here again, I bought the big bag that was cheap on sale at Walmart. So that's always great. Now you can throw in some regular fertilizer, but I'll do that in the springtime. You wonder, okay, what do you do to apply this stuff? Well, I use the handheld whirly spreader. And it's just a little spreader. It's still a little dirty. But this one's adjustable. It's got the adjustment there on the side. You can adjust it, how much you want to put on. Like I said, it's put a little too much on at one setting and not enough. So it's just something you'll have to play with. This one's like right in the middle where I found it was the best. So you just to play with it and adjust it to suit your needs. And you just mix that up in a big tote here. I got one of those big totes you can buy. Just mix that all up in there and scoop it up. And then you just walk back and forth across your yard like you're fertilizing just before the snow melts. Now would be a great time, but I did it a few days ago because I saw this warm weather coming, and you can see a little bit further in the yard, it's all melted. But yeah, you can see my tracks where I walk back and forth in the yard. I don't know if the neighbors saw me. Nobody said anything. Thinking I'm a bit eccentric here, but that's quite all right. They all know that. So those are some little tips and tricks here. You can like and subscribe to my channel as I go along. I'll come up with more content for you guys. Oh, another quick thing here while I'm thinking of it. You can see my driveway is rather dark. There's some grass in there too. I just put this driveway down about a month ago, but what it is is actually, get a little closer here, is a crushed asphalt. What they do is they take old road asphalt, crush it up. It doesn't get sticky or anything like that, from what I've heard, but it does hold together a lot better. It doesn't, if you have a problem with potholes and whatever and erosion, crushed asphalt works great. It's about the same price as the regular stone that I had available from the place, and actually it's just a bit more, a few cents more per ton or whatever. So I had that delivered, and I put in a nice new driveway last month because it was a bit warm out, and I'm like, well, it's a good time to get it done. I'm thankful I did before snow here hit. So anyways, like I said, like, subscribe, and I will see you later.